At the Plantation Water Treatment Plant in Ponte Vedra Beach, St. Johns County Utilities recently completed an important infrastructure improvement designed to support reliable drinking water service for years to come. A key component of the project was the replacement of the plant's aging aerator structure. An aerator is a piece of equipment that mixes air with water to help remove hydrogen sulfide gas, which can create an unpleasant rotten egg odor in well water. While hydrogen sulfide does not pose a health concern, removing the gas improves the aesthetic quality of drinking water for customers. The existing metal structure at the Plantation Water Treatment Plant was purchased by St. Johns County Utilities about 20 years ago. The structure is more than 40 years old and had reached the end of its service life, as the hydrogen sulfide and salt environment continued to corrode over time. When the structure was inspected in 2024, it was found to be in an advanced state of deterioration and beyond rehabilitation. It was determined that replacing both the structure and aerator was the best long-term solution. The new facility features a reinforced concrete structure designed to support the aerator even during hurricane-force winds. In addition, a new aluminum aerator was installed that is resistant to hydrogen sulfide corrosion. This investment improves the reliability of the water treatment process while reducing future maintenance requirements. Both the structure and aerator are built to provide years of dependable operation with minimal maintenance. Unlike the previous metal structure, the new system does not require ongoing blasting and repainting to address corrosion. Most importantly, the Plantation Water Treatment Plant remained operational throughout construction. The new structure, along with associated piping and valves, was installed while the existing aerator continued operating. While several short-term outages were required to complete the work, the plant continued providing water to customers throughout the project. The successful completion of this improvement reflects the teamwork and dedication of plant operators, pipeline personnel, the engineering firm, and the contractor, all of whom worked together to accomplish the project. The Plantation Water Treatment Plant is a vital component of providing drinking water to the Ponte Vedra Beach community, and this investment helps ensure reliable service for years to come.